some animals have real superpowers? First up, the wombat. Cute until you see its secret weapon. Yep, its superpower is its butt. When a predator crawls into its burrow, the wombat blocks the tunnel with its rock-hard rear. No matter how hard they bite or claw, they cannot get through. And if the wombat traps them in the tunnel, and game over. Next up is the real-life Deadpool, the axolotl. You can cut off almost any body part and it will regenerate it like nothing ever happened. It looks like a tiny fish with legs, but its DNA? It is shockingly close to human DNA. Now you see why I said that.